Today I'll talk about Socios app, which is a great app for sports fans, sports lovers. You can have a lot of fan engagement on this particular app. So let me walk you through. Socios.com, and Socios.com token is called Chiliz, CHZ or CHZ. Now I have been following this token for a long period of time. I own this token. But full disclaimer that this is not a financial advice. I want you to do your own research before investing. Now, why did I want to show you this app? Because if you are a sports lover, this is the place you need to be in. So if you follow NBA, if you follow soccer, if you follow Formula One, if you follow cricket, the IPL team is gonna be reflected here. They have already announced the partnership with Chinese Super Kings, Royal Challengers Bangalore, Kings 11 Punjab. So all three teams will be reflected in the fund. Now, if you are a soccer lover, you have Spanish League reflected here. You have teams from English Premier League. You have countries. You have Argentina reflected here, Portugal reflected here. So if you are a fan, you can be part of this application, and you can buy your favorite fan tokens from this application. Now, what do you need for that? You need Chiliz fan token. Again, quick walkthrough. ACM is AC Milan soccer team. Sauber is Formula One. Argentina, you have Arsenal. Think about the heritage of this club. Aston Villa coming back up. Aston Martin, Sebastian Vettel, who moved to Aston Martin from Red Bull to Ferrari to Aston Martin last year. Huge fan following. YBO, the top Swiss soccer league club, who has defeated Manchester United a few weeks ago to win Champions League. Now, EFC Everton, you have Barcelona, huge club, right? Can't say enough of Barcelona, right? Juventus, Inter Milan, you have Leeds United, LQFC. Man City, my favorite team, reflected here. That's one of the reasons why I got into it. But as I mentioned, I only had 4 or 5 teams reflected. Now it's like I'm just scrolling down. PSG, Messi, Neymar, Mbappe. You have, just name the player, and they have got the pricing of this particular token got doubled in the last few months because of Messi is joining in. OG. Now, quick second on OG. Now, OG is esports giant, and PFL, Professional Fighters League. It's fabulous fan engagement token to have. Rouge, NASCAR. If you Formula One, similar to that, you have NASCAR. UFC, VCF is Valencia. So again, this is a place to be in. If you follow any particular team, just click on that particular team, buy that token if you want. But once you have the token available, you can do a lot of engagement. For example, one of the prediction, again, this is just you don't get money or anything, but you get the rewards attached to it. Sorry, Liverpool fans, but the match is on 4th of October, and yes, I want Man City to win 2-0. You have a strong team, but Man City it is for me. Now, coming back, sorry, I digressed from the topic. Coming back, of course, you can do the hunt of the tokens. So every day there is a daily hunt, and I owned a lot of Chiliz just doing in that. Now, from a rewards, again, you play, you predict, those kind of things happen here. Now, why I'm showing you this, because Chiliz token has a huge worth. It's going great. I love socials. Very less content on the internet, even also on the YouTube. I must say that it's good to have this application, and of course there are levels. For example, if you are investing, everything happens in euros here. So if you are investing 1,000 euros, you need to be at a particular level, and they are KYC, which is you need to submit your verification before you invest something or you sell something. So it's pretty secured application, and from a fan engagement, it's just fabulous. And from an investment standpoint, it's fabulous for me in the last 1 year. but then at Socios and Chiliz, the main aim is fan engagement, and that's going to continue. I will give you a few screenshots where it really testifies that how important Socios is in the coming years, and I'll give you the screenshots. And when you watch a match, sometimes we don't, of course, as an investor, I want you to look at what are the different banners, what are the different ads which are reflecting in the stadium. That is a true reflection, which is the emerging company, or what kind of fan engagement's been happening. You will see Socios reflected there. And Chiliz is a token which has grown 10x in the last 1 year. And now from a potential standpoint, I don't think so it has reached to the peak. However, please be cautious. This is crypto, but from a blockchain standpoint, this is one of the good place to be in, and especially if you're a sports lover, you can get a lot of information reflected out here. Well, appreciate your time, and thanks for watching this video. We'll come up with the next one.